Regardless of the characters I portray on TV and on the big screen, my tonight once buried me in a negative place where many of you are now, or have been. And believe me when I say to you, I've been. Tinnitus or tinnitus, either way you say it, whether you hear it in your ears or in your head, means the same thing. Noise that does not go away, and you do not suffer alone. The harsh reality is that it has robbed silence from the lives of nearly 12 million Americans. My tinnitus began while I was filming.
If I could make all the mountains spell